Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. I just got my Walmart beauty box today and I haven't opened it yet. I just took the plastic off. I wanted to be surprised on camera. And I guess this is a summer box. I like the print of the pink with the tropical plants. And let's see, it says, enhance your beauty, inspire your beauty routine this season, show off your fabulous self. Oh, and it comes in with the cute matching paper. And it has another piece of paper in here saying the same slogan. And I have a little piece of paper in here for the Garnier Whole Blends New Oat Delicacy, paraben-free, tested on scalp. And I guess it's a new recipe blended with oats and milk, rice cream extracts, protein-rich oat milk, and soothing rice cream blend to form a delicate lather that coats your hair in lightweight hydration. Hair is supple and softened with weightless moisture. And here's another thing from Garnier. Got a minute? Help repair damaged hair fast. Naturally derived ingredients, 98%. Discover new Fructis treats. 1 minute hair mask with papaya extract. I don't know about you, but I have to leave a hair mask on more than 1 minute. I have really thick, coarse hair, so I have to leave it on for a long time. And let's see, they have these different ones. This one, it says it nourishes dry hair. The other one smooths frizzy hair. It looks like an avocado, a picture of an avocado on it. The other one looked like coconut and lemon. And then the next one is Protect Color Vibrancy, and you can't really tell what it is. It looks like a red fruit. And the last one is yellow, and it says Strengthen Weak Hair. And there's kind of a picture of it right there. And that kind of looks like a tomato, papaya, avocado. I don't know if that's banana, but that's a picture. I hope they gave me a freaking sample for one of these. I got a 3-day whitening boost kit from Rembrandt. 6 custom fit whitening strips, 3 treatments, each with 1 upper and 1 lower. Sure, I'll use this. Why not? I got another freaking piece of paper for the new face mask, night cream, day cream mask from Garnier. Why use 3 moisturizers when you can use one that works? It's called Skin Active, a 3-in-1. A mask and a night. No, I have to use a special moisturizer and mask. I guess it's new. And here's a picture of the back. Okay, so I got a sample, a small sample of the Garnier Skin Active 3-in-1 Moisturizer Day-Night Mask, 96% naturally derived ingredients, made with rose water, made without mineral oil, parabens, silicones, and dyes. Find me in the skincare aisle. And it says, for day, soothes and hydrates skin daily. For night, nourishes and nurtures skin night after night. And for mask, left on for 10 minutes, it intensely nourishes and reduces skin tightness. And it says it's 0.169 fluid ounces. That's tiny. And here's a coupon, save $2 on the whitening kit if I want to decide to buy it. Oh good, I got one of those hair masks. I got one of the Garnier Fructis. I got the damage repairing treat, which I actually would try this one. And it says it's a 1-minute hair mask. It's a vegan formula, 94% biodegradable, no silicones, no parabens, no artificial colorants, and the sample size is 0.40 fluid ounces. And it has a bunch of stuff on the back that I'm not going to read. As a mask, after shampoo, rinse and leave on for 1 minute. As a conditioner, after shampoo, apply to hair root to tip. As a leave-in, Apply on damp hair for intense surface repair. And it says it's treatable or suitable for treated hair, color treated hair. And there's the sample, and that's 0.40 ounces. And then I got this Donkey Milk Skin Gel Mask. Ooh, I like gel masks. It says Nourish and Restore. The brand is So AE, simple skincare from the best of nature. It says it has donkey milk, salmon, egg extract. Leave on 15 to 20 minutes, and yeah. Since ancient times, donkey's milk, which I've never heard of this brand ever, often referred to as white gold, has been valued for its immense nourishing skin and health benefits. Revered by the likes of Hippocrates and Cleopatra, rich in proteins, minerals, vitamins, essential fatty acids, bioactive enzyme, and coenzyme, it restores, balances, nourishment, and moisture of the skin. So I will try this. And I like these actually. These are new, thick and soft, the Kleenex wet wipes. I love wet wipes, so I'll throw those in my bag. And the last thing is, oh good, I got a sample of the Garnier Whole Blends Haute Delicacy shampoo and conditioner. And that is it for my box. Let me know if you guys actually have any of things, and if you've tried them and your opinion on them. And if you have the Walmart beauty box, please let me know what you got in yours. Thanks, and remember to subscribe. Bye.